Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Google Translate app and making sure the essentials are ready. Sign in and download any offline language packs you need. Once done, grant microphone and camera permissions so you can use voice and camera translation immediately. Make sure background data is enabled if you want live translations. Now tap the language drop-downs to select source and target languages, and confirm the app shows Tap to Translate or the camera/voice icons. This lets you move to the first interaction step. You now perform the core translations. For text, type or paste sentences and tap the Translate button. Use conversation mode to alternate speaker input. For voice, tap the microphone, speak naturally, and watch the app convert speech to translated text and audio. Switch speakers when needed. For printed text, tap camera, choose instant for live overlay or scan to capture and edit recognized text, then translate. Once you see results, make sure you review suggestions and tap any alternate words to refine accuracy. You finish by saving useful translations and refining settings. Star key adds phrases to your phrasebook for later. If the app auto-detects the wrong language, switch the source language manually before retrying. This improves accuracy. If translations fail, check permissions, re-download offline packs, or toggle airplane mode off and on to refresh connectivity. As a key troubleshooting tip, clear cache or reinstall the app if persistent crashes occur. This often resolves corrupt data while preserving your account settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.